Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, we are consistently making videos about TCS Ignite and smart hiring and answering the queries of students that we are receiving in the comment section. In this video, I will answer the queries that we have received in the comment section of the last video. And if you have any more queries, then you can ask us in the comment section of this video. We'll make another video to answer them. So without taking much time, let's move on to the comment section, starting with the first one. Sir, my university distribute a grade sheet in which all 6 marks are printed. And then how can I submit individually asked in the BGC documents? So grade sheet, is one thing, but individual mark sheets are also given by the college because grade sheet comes in the last. Individual mark sheets are also required. It is difficult that you don't have the individual mark sheets. How come a university cannot give that? So please check with your university because individual mark sheets are given by all the universities that I know. If still that is not the option, then get it written from your university that they don't give semester wise mark sheet. That the only thing they give is the 6 semester mark sheet. So and upload it and upload all the in all the field upload that 6 semester consolidated mark sheet along with that proof. Okay. So I did not receive the interview mail. It will come soon. It will come next week because interviews are being scheduled now. I have got intimation by many students that they have got the interview invite. So if I submit the document without NCA medical certificate, then how can we upload rest of that? Can I upload after joining letter receive? Yeah, before 15 days it will be enabled, or you can submit it on the day of joining TCS. So that way you can do. So is it possible to do MCA in Smart Road? You can do MCA, but TCS in Ignite role, TCS provide that facility to do with Shastra University, but in Smart Road, it is not mentioned like that. At least in the advertisement they have released. So you can do MCA of your own, but TCS will not consider it for the salary revision. Okay, so you have to take care of that in mind. Sir, give a brief of TCS new 35 days bench rule and please make a detailed video. See, I have already covered this in my past video. There is a new policy that if you are, you have, so basically what is bench? So bench is that when you are in the company but you are not a part of any project. So that means you are on bench, you are not being utilized, you are simply coming and going, but you are not working any project. So as per their policy, 35 days policy, the person has to get a project within 35 days. Otherwise, action will be taken against him. So basically, some people are of mindset that they don't want to work. So what they do, they keep on ignoring project after project, and because of which they are on bench for very long time, 6 months, 1 year, and those are liabilities on a company because somebody is not working and just finding reasons, to avoid a project because salaries you still get the salary, despite whether you are on the bench or you are on the project. So now they have made it little strict that they will not allow it beyond 35 days. So within 35 days you need to get on the project. Trust me, in my all experience in TCS of 5+ years, I have never been on bench even on single day. And those students, those people who are sincere, they get the project easily, and 35 days is a very long time. So basically it is for the people who don't want to work and who have a lot of constraint in terms of working this project, this skill, that skill. Otherwise it is not a problem at all. Next, so I had one doubt. You are saying that TCS will not consider the MCA degree which one want to do while working TCS, but do they allow to pursue MCA for smart connect and distance learning? See, if you are doing something outside, you don't have to take any permission. You can do it is just like you need some leaves while writing the exams. They only have concern when you are working. It should not affect your working hours because it is something that you are doing for the salary, right? They are giving salary for you. Apart from that, if you are doing any correspondence degree from distance, it is your call. You can do any degree, right? And if your manager allows you, then you can take if you get leaves for exams, you can write exams and get a degree. But then you come tomorrow that yes, I have got an MCA degree, now revise my salary. That will not happen because TCS doesn't consider degree which are done parallelly with work. So that is what I all mean to say. So I need an advice. I got an offer letter from TCS Smart Role, also got an offer letter from Infosys of System Associate Training. They mentioned that the training will be at Mysore in the month of September. I am a BC graduate, which will be better to join. Please help me with this. I think TCS, Infosys. I got the similar query from some other candidate as well, and I have told them that you can go for the Infosys role because the package is little high. Number one, number two, the smart hiring package is very low. So if you join TCS at a low package, it will take a lot of time for you to increase your package, right? Though there are ways, but still, it doesn't work always. So you can join Infosys, get some experience there, and then after increasing your salary, you can apply to TCS later as an experienced candidate and come at a negotiated salary which is higher. That is my take. So as of now, you can go with Infosys. So that is a personal advice I want to give you. Next, sir, I have my interview on 16th of April for Smart Program, and both of my technical HR goes well. In the end, and then HR said you have been selected, but I haven't got the mail. But my friend who has the interview saying they got the offer letter. Hmm. If your HR said you have been selected, then it's a concern that why you have not got the mail. I hope you are meeting all the eligibility criteria, and there are no such reasons like more than 24 months of gap or something else, or backlog, or 50 or less than 50%. So you should check back, with the person who has sent you the email about your status, whether are you rejected or your offer letter is being delayed. Next, so I received shortlisted, and I have attended technical exam and TCS Smart Hiring, but need 2 months still don't get anyone from TCS side. Just the above comment before you is for the same. As of now, the results are announced, and there are very less chances that they have holded the result for any reason. It's been quite some time that TCS Ignite, and Smart Hiring results are already announced. So not sure, like it seems like you are not selected. Otherwise, you would have got the mail. Next, sir, I have given test on 14 minutes still getting mail to clear test and election mail when can I expect. Wait till next week. Ignite interviews are being scheduled. Some have got the interview invite. It is still in the process, so please wait for some time. I think by next week, max you will get it. That is shortlisting and no further details like interview date, so please guide me. So that means you are shortlisted, so start preparing for it, and then very soon you will be, informed about your interview date. So I got offer letter on June 10th. When can I have the joining letter? Joining letter can take time. So usually the joining happens in quarter two, July, August, September. That is the prime time where joining happens. So it can come around that. But there are chances that it can go beyond that as well. So there is no certainty. So we can only understand from past predictions. Next, so I would like to inform you that I took an admission BCA program for 2025 batch. As per the usual academic schedule, I should have graduated by now. However, due to implementation of the new education, I am currently in the fifth semester. I really request you not to take in this situation. That is fine. It's okay if you are in fifth semester, but your program is 2025 batch. If you have not, if your education is not extended due to any backlog, it is completely fine. You can get a certificate from your college mentioning the same. You can apply for the 25 batch hiring. It is fine. It's okay. I think we have covered all the comments. So if you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much.